Physical keyboards are quietly having a moment again. The Clicks communicator brought one back to the iPhone. Unihertz's Titan 2 Elite is doing it on full Android. And now the company that started this whole boring phone trend is back with round two. This is the Minimal Phone 2, and here's everything we actually know so far.
Quick background for anyone new here. The original Minimal phone came from the Minimal Company, a Southern California startup founded in 2023. It paired a 4.3-inch e-ink touchscreen with a full QWERTY keyboard, ran Android 14 underneath, and launched at $399 with 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. Now, founder Armin Yousefian has posted the first look at the follow-up, Minimal Phone 2, and there's a lot to unpack even without a full spec sheet.
This is where the biggest jump is. The original shipped in a plastic shell at roughly 120 by 72 by 10 millimeters. The Minimal Phone 2 moves to a matte aluminum enclosure instead, with a polished metal frame wrapping around the display and a noticeably smaller footprint. Coverage from Digital Trends describes the look as landing somewhere between iPhone 5S era design language and classic BlackBerry proportions. Rounded corners, tighter lines, more premium in the hand. Flip it over and there's a minimal back panel, a single rear camera, no camera bump, and the company's dot logo in the corner. It'll reportedly come in two finishes, a clean silver and a matte black. Up front, the signature full QWERTY keyboard is back, but reworked. Reports describe a refined key layout compared to the original's 35 keyboard, aimed at better typing accuracy and more tactile feedback. There's also a new addition, a small LED indicator light at the top of the front panel, meant to give at-a-glance notifications without needing to light up the whole screen. Now, the important caveat, the Minimal Company has not released a full spec sheet yet, so a few core questions are still open. Whether it keeps the 4.3-inch e-ink display from the original, whether it still runs Android with Google Play support, whether 5G is finally supported, what the actual camera hardware looks like. Some early reporting does mention an upgraded, more robust processor for a more stable experience, and a reworked software layer built around the same distraction-free philosophy, but neither has been detailed in full yet. No price and no launch date have been confirmed. What we do know, an early access waitlist is live on the company's site, and signing up gets you update emails plus early bird pricing access when it's announced. For reference, the original launched at $399, worth keeping in mind, though the aluminum build alone suggests the sequel could land higher. So, Minimal Phone 2 is real, it's had its design reveal, and it's clearly aimed at people who are tired of doom scrolling on a normal smartphone. But until the Minimal Company confirms the display, chipset,